This one exercise can help to improve your shoulder health, your posture, and improve that serratus anterior strength. And all you need is a foam roller. Welcome back. I'm Dr. Jen Boni, better known as DocJenFit, your doctor of physical therapy. And I want to help you use this one exercise that's been my favorite lately to really improve that scapular control engagement, which really helps if we improve our serratus anterior strength. So this comes from the back of my shoulder blade, wraps underneath my shoulder blade onto my rib cage. So you can imagine if it's going to pull my shoulder blade back into a better position, what that's going to do for my posture, what that's going to do for my shoulder health overhead, and overall strength throughout my body. So grab your long foam roller. This is about all I use this foam roller for nowadays, not actually for foam rolling because it's not the best, but I'm going to put this on the wall here, and you're going to place your elbows directly in front of you. So you want your forearms to be directly out in front of you, and I actually want you to come back onto your tiptoes. So you're going to be in like a plank position here. Now, to maximize our core support and stability here, you're going to think of reaching your tailbone down toward the floor. So it's going to kind of tuck under as I reach my chest away from the wall. So I'm getting my core automatically kind of engaged here. I'm reaching that tailbone down, chest away from the wall. Now from here, I'm going to think of my hands going toward the wall as my elbows come in together and I press into the wall. Hold right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then slowly come down from there. Now, what you want to make sure is that your hands are going to go toward the wall. So we're not using so much tricep here. But as you climb the wall, what you should not see climb, so you can use a video to kind of look at yourself or a friend, is that your shoulders do not rise. We don't want our upper traps starting to dominate and do the work here. Okay. So again, you want to push from those elbows in to the wall, into the foam roller. So I'm going to push my elbows forward as my fingers go toward the wall. And I'm thinking of wrapping the shoulder blades around my rib cage. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't let that core break. Keep that tailbone tucked under, reach that chest away from the wall, and I come down. And then you can start to do little reps, press, but you should be shaking. I'm shaking. This is hard work, and you might not realize it, but the shoulder blades afterwards are going to feel worked after just like 5 to 10 of these. Because again, what we're doing is we're wrapping that muscle around to help engage that serratus anterior more, improve our posture, and improve our shoulder health. Don't forget, if you love what you're learning, I have so much more in stock for you. So hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos I've done in the past, and leave any comments of any suggestions that you have for videos in the future. And I can't wait to help you feel incredible and amazing within your body.